Hi everyone, so in this final video we'll polish our app and test it thoroughly before deploying it in Versa. We'll add a cool feature such as pronunciation and a dark mode to implement the pronunciation feature, which is available from the dictionary API, which provides us an audio URL. So as seen from the screen, this is our free dictionary API response. So what we get is an audio as a response over here. So we'll be adding this play button such that whenever this is clicked, the audio is played. So let's see how we do that in the VS Code. So switching on the VS Code here, as you can see, we have of course the page.js where all the data fetching is happening, and this transfers the necessary information into the play text, such as phonetics, that is the audio that I have transferred as props. So checking on to the phonetics here whenever the audio is clicked. So if you look through this button tab over here, you can see phonetics.audio. So this is what phonetics.audio refers to. So we have extracted that this within the button. So whenever that is clicked, this phonetics.audio is played. So if you just put or like map it directly, it won't work. As it's an audio, so you need to implement audio.plays such that it plays when it's clicked. So with that, if we look through design over here, and that's what this looks like, and that's what this gonna play the respective audio, which is a pronunciation in this manner, and as well as we have some hover state itself as well, such that it matches the design configuration. The next thing that we're gonna look over here is the implementation of dark mode. I have utilized use state over here to implement the dark mode, such that we also have tailwind dark mode itself as well. But let's give it a quick look. So within my page.js, I have a use state, which is dark mode or not, in utilizing React use state, which is false or set to false by default. But when it's changed, which is in the header page, so within the header there is an input switch to toggle this out, where it changes the state, and that state props passes into all the different page and components over here, such that if we go into the play text, as you can see, let's go it from the start. So if into the play text, so you can see I have a dark mode state being passed over here. So if you go into play text itself, you can see how it is implemented. So that prop is received, and with that prop there's a situation where if it is dark, then implement a white text, and if not, implement a black text. So this is just for a simple description of text. You can implement this in a similar manner for all the other classes itself as well, such that your dark mode is implemented throughout the app, and it doesn't give any error while switching the themes. So that's one way to implement that out. Can be implemented in any components by just passing the props itself. So it's fairly simple. With that, you'll have your dictionary application ready. These are just some basic ideas and components and other stuff which can easily map out from the API and be shown within as following the design. So this is a wrap, and we have successfully built the dictionary app from scratch and added all the basic informations provided by the API endpoint. So deploying it is also simple, utilizing Vercel, connected my GitHub account, and you can literally choose which repository to deploy it on. And once you select that out and go through some simple steps, it will deploy it up and give you a quick production level URL, which you can visit to see your live application. So that's it for today. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next challenge.